powered by Shopify.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Ever since Wild ran, I've been talking my shit, nigga. Been laid up, been chained up, nigga. This shit don't change us, nigga. Been laid up, been chained up, nigga. This shit don't change us, nigga. Been laid up, been chained up, nigga. This shit don't change us, nigga. Been laid up, been chained up, nigga. This shit don't change us, nigga. Been laid up, been chained up, nigga. This shit don't change us, nigga.
Sorry, guys, I had my mouth full. Sorry, guys, I had my mouth full. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, guys, I had my mouth full. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, guys, I had my mouth full. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, got the watch list out last night, a little late. You could have watched it this morning. What we say? We said we try and look for that little bit of gap up. What we get? We got the little gap up. I wouldn't call it a little gap up, though. I'm going to be honest. I would not call that a little gap up. So let's just run through real quick. You're seeing the dip being bought. Now, I said this last night because I know there's a lot of money on the sidelines. It still has not been put to work because everyone is leery about putting that money to work. I told you guys last night to go watch The Compound. If you haven't watched it yet, the show The Compound from this past Friday was just, it was awesome. It was a really good show. You got to watch it. I ended up, it's like exactly how I feel. It's a lot of the things that yeah, so I'm just trying to finish my Pop-Tart, fam. That's all it is. All right, so let's run through this real quick. So the Qs, you're getting that rotation this morning, right back into tech. You can see where the Qs are up here. IWM is your laggard. So I thought I could sense that shift coming for yesterday. Like when I was going over the watch list with you guys, that's why I got so deep. Like the first 15 minutes of the watch list was like, hold up. Like I felt like we could start to see the NASDAQ start to jump back to the high side. So let's go over some of this news and stuff again. I apologize, it was a little late night for me. We have Google up 5%. So that trade's been taken from us. We talked about Google last night. Bloomberg said that Apple is in talks with Google to license and build its Gemini artificial intelligence engine into future iPhones. That's crazy. Competitors there. What's that mean for Apple? Dude, they've literally taken this trade from us. Everything we talked about yesterday, I guess we should have did it Friday. One step behind. If you guys could, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so. My name's Justin. I've been trading for over 10 years now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, throw them in the chat. If you guys have anything you guys are watching today, throw that in chat. If you just want to talk about markets, whatever it is, what are some of your ideas? We're here to eat, right? We're here to eat together. I really like GLD today. I'm going to try and put this position on today. If it gives us a pullback, even if it doesn't give us a pullback, GLD, I'm going to be watching this level right here. All right, I think that level would be somewhat of a nice entry at 200, 250. It's trying to make Friday and Thursday's pivot high resistance right now. I mean, really, at the end of the day, it's just pulling back. If we can just get a pullback into, like, wherever that may be, wherever that pullback may be, you can see the volume is stepping up here to the sell side. So, I'm going to tell you my gut feeling is to hold off for a minute. My gut feeling is to just hold off for a minute and wait to put this on. You know, but I could be wrong, so I don't want to go back and forth and put myself on tilt. Now that's tilt. Now the thing is because I can't just use. I feel like I can't just use volume like I can another stock on GLD, right? You can just come in with a huge gap up, like heavy. You can see like some pretty heavy selling, but the stock doesn't move, right? Pretty heavy selling, the stock doesn't move. So that's that. GLD, look, you know, we'll see if we get up to 202. You know, maybe we take a small piece of profit. I don't know. We'll see what happens if we get there. Let's just scan the markets real quick. Again, sorry for being a little bit behind today. TLT pulling back again. Let's look at the bigger time frame here. I need to get my charger too. I know I'm all over the place here. Did everybody have a great weekend? How was everybody's weekend? Here, I can turn the camera on. Let me grab my charger and stuff. I kind of want to get something together. It feels like I'm just frustrated that literally all of my trade ideas are being taken away pre-market. Have already happened. So it's like, now what do I do? Now I got to come up with another, like, I got to come up with a plan B here. Don't forget, Rivian had a price target upgrade on Friday. So if you're not watching Rivian, I know Tesla's up this morning. That pretty much that whole sector. So we pretty much caught the reversals on these things. Look, you got that really nice double bottom there on Tesla. That's a beautiful double bottom. Now looking back. You know, any pullbacks? Let's see if we can buy the dip. I mean, we do have a lot of selling pressure up here. Look at what came in there. I think this level needs to be tested. I think this 172.50 needs to be tested. So,
RBSN, Rail Vision engaged with U.S. distributor for its AI-driven railway system. Romeo Victor standing November.
I still can't believe this, man. This is crazy. You've literally taken everything. I just don't know what to... So TSM is starting to break up above. Let's see. So there was some news on TSM today. Or last night, I should say. 139.40. Oh, I mean 140, 139.98, 140. I just feel like this could be a nice trade. Now, if you want to look for Micron or something else, if you get a pullback here on TSM to 130, 138.99, 140, could be a buyer there. You have some really, You have really nothing in your way up to 142, 143. So that's going to be an idea. I'm going to write that down right now. And they did have a catalyst too. So we're gonna go with see, it's already pulled back at Friday's high. Shit. So yeah, this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday's low. That weekly candle, or Monday's close, and Monday's low. So we'll say a 139 entry long. 139 long. If it holds. Again, that's if it holds. Let's look at the hourly chart. The hourly chart looks good for a few dollars. And we said 142, 143. Come on.
When you look at the combined ARR, I think we're approaching 29 billion now. So it's a meaningful amount of our business. It's been a journey.
Yeah, so we could look to get TSM up here to 142, 143. I'd like to try to get it to 143. You know, maybe you get a shot at 145 in a couple days. See, it's already running, guys. We'll see though. We'll see what happens here. This is an idea. I'm gonna try and put this on, and see what we can do with it. See what we can do with it.
Okay, so Chuck, in the last time I spoke with you on Mad Money, you did talk about activation issues. You talked about the idea that be limited this quarter just because there was kind of a backup in the system from your customers. Could we make it so that that's not the focal point of the discussion now? It just feels close.
Oh shit! Come on now. All right. Sorry, I was just fooling around here. I think we gotta watch that level there for some reason. That 139 is sticking out to me. But anyway, no, it's been a boring stream this morning. It is what it is. It's Monday. The move's, in my opinion, kind of been taken. So SMCI shares gained 2.5%. Technology firm which makes servers that help artificial intelligence applications joins the S&P Monday before trading. So this is kind of, I guess, what is helping us go to the upside today. But it looked like the chart had already priced all this stuff in. So I don't think this is the reason alone. I just felt like the buyers have been trained to buy the dip. So Halsey Corp shares jumped 9.8%. News that San Francisco-based software provider has considered options, including a sale. Bloomberg reported the development, citing individuals familiar with the matter. TSM, we talked about this last night. U.S. Listed shares gained 1.5% after Reuters reported, citing sources familiar that Taiwan Semiconductor is deliberating building advanced packaging capacity in Japan. Tesla shares rose 3.2% even after Goldman Sachs cut its price target on Tesla by $30 to $190. Tesla by $30 to by $30 to $190. As the electric vehicle maker faces issues with rising competition and slower demand, the firm maintained that Tesla is well positioned for longer-term growth, however, citing the company's strong position in EV and clean energy markets. PepsiCo shares of the beverage company rose 1.2% after Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock from overweight to equal weight. The company rose after Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock to overweight from equal weight. Okay. All right, so what does this mean for McDonald's that nobody eats at anymore? I mean, people obviously still eat there, but Let's see. See if we can get that 285 test. I think that's where I want it. I mean, it's just like 285, 283, that whole area. Right up in here. We'll see what happens if we can get that. You had some really nice volume come in. And look, even today, it's still just, it's just getting whacked, it feels like. Let me look at a 5-minute chart. Yeah, you're getting this bounce right back up to 280, 270, 980, and now it's pulling back. You know, I'm sure it'll have a green day, right? It can have a green day. That's what we said yesterday. So no big deal there. So TSM, I wrote this down. I think we're going to try for 144 on TSM. I think I'm going to move that and try to take this to 144, 146. I'd like to get this thing to 146. I'd like to get TSM to 146. I would. In the trenches. So I have, let me see here. I have, oh, it's not up, then never mind. Looks like I'm going to be putting a semiconductor trade on this week. It's in a downtrend. I mean, I think we'll get a pullback on this. I do. I think short term, markets are getting ready to open up here in 5 minutes. I think short term, we are going to get a pullback here. So, good luck today. We'll go over Rivian real quick and Tesla. So, Tesla, you know, I think there's still a lot of resistance when you start to get up and back up into this area. Watch out for some sellers to come through. All right, watch out for some sellers to come through in some of these weaker names like Tesla. I mean, that was a really nice double bottom down here. You sense the divergence on pretty much every time frame with between Thursday and Friday of last week on Tesla. I really got to clean that chart of Tesla up. There's just so much going on here. It's just way too much going on. I personally think, in my opinion, I am going to try to get short. You know, not right off the bat. You know, there's some nice volume pre-market. Let's see here. Let's see what the... Yeah, that's some really nice volume pre-market. Wow. Look at the volume pre-market on Tesla, y'all. Holy shit. What is this? Okay, so it's not too bad. So that's 0.12. Okay, so it's nothing crazy, but I want to see a pullback to 165 on Tesla. I need to see a pullback to 164. Really, I'd like to see it at 164. But you have a double top right here. Bang, bang. Double top there at 165. Tesla, 160, pullback 165. Or that's going to be... or that's going to be a target short. Let me use the 15-minute chart here. Where are we? In the trenches. I have Vultures in my head. That song is so... It's really good. It's a really good song.
did not work, and it was not fun for Steven. That did matter. He was hoping to have a great time. His skill set was not
Yeah, I mean, ultimately, you may have
slowing EV.
your bounce back to like 175 or so. 175, 173. Let's see here. Let's try to figure this thing out here. I think it's already getting a little bit overdone, in my opinion. You know, that is a nice... Let's see. So we do have a gap here. I'm going to have to take this back to the daily chart. We're going to have to do some work here. All right, 20-day moving average. We're going to keep the 20-day... Man, that thing is way up there at 186.
We've seen cruise ships do very well. American Express obviously doing very well. Hotel chains doing very well. There's Expedia done okay. Bookings does really well. This did not take part in the great travel resurgence after COVID. And
We got 2 minutes, guys and gals. We have 2 minutes left.
he didn't go there to run a travel company. He went there to do fleet management. That had been a great
We have
idea.
2 minutes left.
Appreciated it. And then there was just
Changes.
strategy for him to
All right, good luck today. I'm gonna take it slow. I already had this feeling that I'm taking it slow this week. All right, I'm gonna be taking it slow. And I'm just gonna let it happen for me. I'm just gonna let things happen. See where these things, if they want to hold, if they don't want to hold. So TSM, that's the number one. Look, they're already taking it from us. Damn it, bro. You gotta be kidding me. They're already buying this thing up. Alright, so TSM. Look for 140. Look for 140 long now, I guess. Again, good. Ow, god damn, bro. And that is obviously the bell in the trenches. Yo, that's crazy, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Let's see. You know, I'm not playing Tesla, or not Tesla, but TSM until you get that 139 pullback. I just can't. There's no reason to play it if you don't get that 139 pullback. You need to pull it back in here, and it's just gone. She's gone. Watch the buying pressure. Watch your volume. Take your time. I don't think we have much data today to give us any reason to sell off out of nowhere. Oh shit. That's not until tonight though, 11 o'clock. Their JGB's interest rate decision. Alright. Building permits, housing starts tomorrow. And then Wednesday. Okay. So again, I want to thank you guys for being here. If you could, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's see here. Wait. So, what is that? Verizon? I thought I seen. Apple, Intel. If you guys don't know, Boeing, or at least United Airlines, is back in the news. Wait. Did we get that pullback or no? You gotta be kidding me, bro. This is insane. I'm just gonna look elsewhere. My bad. I did not see that in the trenches. Okay, so we are good.
But you know what? There's no accounting for taste, David.
That is the case. That is often the case. But Reddit will be an important test. At least, I mean, again,
144.
we thought in terms of the IPOs.
Would like to see a pullback off of 142. Dude, TSM is just going to go. It feels like TSM is just going to be on a run. It's not giving you the pullback.
David, just in AI alone, the companies that are going to be speaking at the conference, NVIDIA's conference, there's got to be 50 that want to come public. I mean, unless, did it change, David? Do people feel like if you're public, it's, I don't know, it's not fun? I mean, come on, don't people want to make money anymore? What happened to that?
I know. I don't listen. I don't know. Listen, given the momentum in the market, given where we came from last year, where the window seemed to be slightly opening at least, and we did get a number of them. ARM obviously being the most important.
Wow. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to move on from that. All right, Tesla's pulling back. Good stuff. Good stuff. I had a feeling that might happen there. I had a feeling Tesla might pull back because it was getting a bit oversold. So good shit. Let's do the damn thing.
Right, and that's why Birkenstock, ARM, we've got to get something going, and I'm hoping that Reddit gets people excited again. Right now, it's just, once again, people want to understand. We didn't mention the Fed yet. Okay, the Fed, let's go back to NVIDIA for a second. NVIDIA's got a lot of party. Look at Chuck Robbins. I mean, everyone wants the halo of Jensen Huang. Everyone wants to be associated with it.
AISP, Airship AI, $11.90. High now, you're up 10%. Sandy pop up.
We're saying this marks the peak. We've got the Fed talking top. We're going to be finished with GTC. We're done with AI. I don't know. How can you say it marks the peak if you're talking about a multi-year transition from CPU to GPU? But I know short-termers are saying that this is the peak this week. I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it from a lot of people.
There are also plenty who say that we are just at the very
Damn, son. Where'd you find this one?
the amount of compute power that we're going to need is staggering. And I talk often, frankly, about
Here we go.
issues not even being
In the trenches. No.
that is going to be needed to actually have these data centers operating at full capacity,
I'm so glad you mentioned
which is
it.
not
Do you
there.
know, we have
Yo, you gotta be kidding me, bro. This is just getting fucking stupid now. The SPY's gotta just give us somewhat. It doesn't have to do anything, but I'll be damned if this is just getting stupid. Like, it's getting pretty annoying when they continue to take these moves away pre-market. I guess we should have been dip buyers Friday. I figured, and I said it Friday, that we would come in with a gap up and see if we could pull it back into, you know, the low a day or close.
And I know that Jensen's going to be talking about how much heat these generate. Obviously, they generate less heat than you think. But wow, David, this
Unbelievable.
is making it so our electric grid is being taxed severely.
Unbelievable.
Except for you.
Yeah, I had some interesting
It's so crazy. In the trenches.
that's the key issue. And again, it doesn't mean we're going to be having blackouts or anything of that nature. It simply means that if you want to put shovels in the ground,
All right, so you could see if you could get a little test here. So you got a lot of price action your way, but that 168 right there on Tesla would have been a nice opportunity for a short right here. Right off of that low right there. You can see it already bounced into it. Now it's pulling back. So, hello 165. You want 2 points, 167 to 165? I don't. I'm going to wait for the 164 long.
Behind now 25%. Company announced it started selling flying taxi on the Taobao platform. That's the hotel EH.
The country isn't ready for it. Eaton had a meeting last week as owned by my Travel Trust. They're one of these companies that is done with trying to get the electrification grid going. The federal government obviously spending a lot of money on this too. But we're not ready. We're not ready for the demand.
All right, AMD's pulling back.
To see where they put all the data centers because they got to go where the power's cheapest.
SOUN. Whoa, look at the sell-off on SOUN, guys. Wait, is that... Okay. That's a lot of volume there. That's a lot of volume on SOUN. All right, so again, I want to see what happens if Tesla can get back down to like 164, 165. 165. 165. In the trenches.
Going to the data center that have the NVIDIA chips are, but it helps, boy. I mean, look at the move that stock had after earnings because they have access to the key here, which of course is those H100s.
Well, David, do you hear bubble? Do you hear people talk bubble?
Well, yeah, you hear it, Jim, but I don't know that the comparison.
Oh shit, there was our 195 entry on AMD. I'm going to be a little patient on AMD. It could just get stuck here in this range for a little bit.
Now, Michael Dell, as you know, an incredibly serious business person, is making a fortune.
I don't know though. It could get that 184.
NVIDIA is able to charge what it can do because it's basically a monopoly, but it works. The total cost of ownership is not that bad.
It's your 20-day moving average.
Like a car, it performs very well after you buy it, but when you buy it,
All right, see if you get a dip here on AMD. See if it can hold. You know, at first I was a little bearish this thing, but I think
and are, I'm going to use a word that, I'm just going to use indispensable. These companies are indispensable.
Yeah, even though AMD is no match for
I'm not going to be looking to take a position today unless it really shows itself. I mean,
What you need to learn from. So therefore it doesn't have the inference where you get
that's a nice bounce. I kind of want to take that long, but I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to let her show me what she wants to do.
already in before you can start asking it. And NVIDIA's got
Because you have a 205. You could have a 205 test here, guys and gals. If semiconductors again hold up, I would look for this level to... Man, I don't know. See, the more I look at it, yeah, the volume is dying off. So I think you gotta look to get short at 195. I'll try to put on a 195 short if we get it, which was pre-market highs. I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna see if we get a 195 short. I'll try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna stick my neck out there and try it.
versus their engine or Copilot or Perplexity, which actually allows you to use all of them.
350. I may not get it. The more I look at it, I may not get it.
It is possible, isn't it, Jim? You know, again, it's early reporting
Where's our...
from, it would seem to a certain extent from Bloomberg, and I'm just guessing, but it is possible.
You know, because I want to see if we can pull it back down to 180 flat.
Sign up an exclusive deal with Gemini?
That's a great question. I don't know. They do need to have something quickly. I think the Gemini is
196.
with everybody. The Gemini
No, I think 195.
Gemini is exactly what you said, which is just going to take away from the ad revenue from search. When I think about Google these days, I was always just hoping that maybe YouTube would take up the back.
I'm not sure what's going on at the NASDAQ today, but
Your search has to go down because
must be bring your kids to work day or something.
their search and their AI supreme again. David, this is huge. My Travel Trust owns it, and we have just been lamenting Alphabet for months. Well, no lamentations at all.
Yeah, although again, I would caution early. Nothing says this is going to happen. We've made the point many times when it comes to Apple, they don't have to be first. They got 1.2 billion people with in their system. You know, they oftentimes are not necessarily. It's just that they have a better user experience than anybody else.
Right.
Typically wins the day. At least certainly when you have 1.2 billion installed base. They can
Right,
win
yeah,
the
with
day.
they're touching 2 billion people. Remember, you got this great service revenue stream. Tim Cook has always said, look, we are a tech company first with a consumer that loves us and is very satisfied. You don't get that satisfaction, which is almost 100% satisfaction, by offering an inferior product. But, again, I keep going back to that Best Buy conference call where they just shocked me and said, look, the Samsung phone is the hottest phone. And the Samsung phone has a lot of AI.
It's in a sticky spot there. If you look at AMD, AMD's in a sticky spot there. Look at that. Just that whole area is just, to me, screams consolidation. So, here we go. Unless we're gonna get our break.
Well, sure. I mean, Jim Stewart with a very big piece in the New York Times that I think concludes, if you get to the end, that maybe Nelson would be valuable. David, kind of a not that positive article in the Wall Street Journal about this.
Oh shit, GLD. In the trenches.
And then the journal focusing more on the internal goings on at Trian itself. I was surprised the Times did not have any mention of Ed Garden, of course, who helped run that firm for many years. Certainly
Shares of
the
NVIDIA,
author of
off the highs now, $917, up 4.5% now for NVIDIA and
no
VDA.
mention at all in the New York Times story, but the journal spent a good amount of time on it. The news this morning, Jim, is that these proxy advisory firms often do play an important role here. They advise many of the passive investors, namely the index funds, at least on how they should vote their shares. We do have one in so far that I'm aware of, which is Glass Lewis. That goes.
All right.
Got it here.
I'm really thinking about striking on NVIDIA or AMD. I'm thinking about it. So that's GLD. Let's see here.
Wherever the big institutions are making their case in terms of why Peltz and Rizzulla should not be on the board.
I would watch 516 on the S&Ps. We said yesterday 516 was the area we were looking at, but we first needed to get through 512 and 514. We're above 514 now. SOUN is kind of just hanging out. It's got a lot of volume to the sell side. Wait. So why is it when I look at Tesla on this chart, it screams volume? But if I look at it on a different chart, it doesn't really scream volume. That's pretty weird. Because I wanted to take that short down to 164. 164, 165. You gotta be shitting me, bro. That's hilarious. Again, the stock's at 166. I'm not going to take a 166 short to 165, 164. That's not how we do this. It's not how I'm doing it. That's why these bums they lose. That's why they lose their money. Oh, the market's rigged. No, you're just a bum. You don't know what you're doing because you don't invest in yourself to get an education. All right, Tesla SPY. Give me a 5-minute chart. What's Micron doing? I know there's a lot of talk with Micron this morning with NVIDIA. All of them are pulling back. And initially, that's what we wanted here. TSM coming into an area that it may struggle with here. In the trenches.
Obviously, it's a cable network, and there are far fewer people out there available to watch. Those that are, watch us, of course.
Of course. They watch us on Reddit. Oh, no, Reddit. They don't.
I'm keeping my eye on AMD. Keeping my eye on her. Tesla's still pulling back. I think you had a really nice short opportunity there. For anybody that didn't get the chance to take it, that was a beaut of a short there. Oh shoot, what's up, man? The trade I told you of Tesla 179 still on it. Hell yeah. That's what's up, buddy. I would look for entry long. I can't remember if you said it. I'm pretty sure you said it was a long, to the long side on Tesla. But don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure you said for Tesla to go higher. I would look for that long at 164, 165 is what I'd be looking for. But I'd have to do a little more work on that. I think that's what would be my game plan. TSM up there. I'm really curious what today brings. I'm really curious what happens in the markets like today. Because we just took off, you know, like a bat out of hell right out the gates. I think I'm going to say this now. If we get a pullback on the SPY, if we get a pullback to like, obviously 512, but like, oh man, 513. No, that's. Yeah, guys, watch out for 513. You know, it's not a major area, but it's just like, just watch for it. It looks like that little pivot low there. My stuff's being slow right now. Just give me 1 second. I wouldn't mind being able to get like a 164, 165 long out of Tesla, taking that right up to 175. Look at 175 here. You can see, look at that level there at 174.90s. That prior support, you know, you have a double bottom down here too, but I'm looking to see if we could test and hold. Like, I'd like to get right here. That's where I'd like to get my entry. Right there. Right in there. I would like to get that entry. Catch a bounce right off of there. Boop. Even if it puts in a lower high, I'm still 168. Right? It's still better to buy it like, you know, 164. See, the resistance is up here though. I don't know. The volume on Tesla, I don't know. I may not trade it. I should have been short that thing this morning. So I'm just saying 165. Would still hold it. Yeah, I gotta be honest though. You know, I don't know. I don't know what the valuation and all that stuff is. I don't know what. It all depends on where buyers and sellers think this thing. Where buyers and sellers agree upon a price, right? And that could be anywhere. You know, the lower we go, the more buying you should see. So I feel like the real, like the people with big money have not, you know, shown themselves just yet. I think they want this low 100 area. You still have gaps back at 75 from like 3 years ago. There's gaps above us, gaps below us. Come on, Tesla, just pull it in, and let's bounce it back a little bit. I would love to get a 174 test. I don't want to miss a trade today because I'm lacking. I do not want to miss a trade today. Okay. You have a minor double top up there on the SPY. Or no, TSM. Let me see here. All right, TSM pulling it back. Oh shit, AMD went. Oh my god, bro. Fuck. Sitting here worrying about Tesla, something I'm not even gonna trade, and I fucking miss AMD. God damn it, bro. Tesla's getting ready to retest that 167 area. You could probably get a pullback off of this rejection. Probably get a rejection here off of 167.50 and look for some more downside. That's a low volume bounce. What the fuck, bro? Man. How did I forget about that? Like, I was literally just focusing on AMD and some of these semiconductors. I am focused on it, you know. It's just, you know, when I'm looking at the chat, when I am, you know, making sure the stream is still running right, the mic's working. So there's a little bit more behind, you know, than just focusing on one. I'm focused on AMD, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Tesla. I was just talking to you about Tesla and God damn it. It's all good. No big deal. No big deal. Look, that move's already getting taken back. You know, if something's really strong, it'll give you, you know, a few opportunities to trade it. Let's see, what's gold doing? Let's see here. No, I don't want to. Is this our buying opportunity here on gold? Could this be our buying opportunity here? Is this our new lower high? Is that the dip? What's going to happen? I might give it a try. I might throw a GLD on. Right now. Let's see, 15-minute. I think that's your opportunity right there. You can't get a better entry than that. You're going to know pretty quickly. That's a beautiful entry there. I think it pulls back. I got to be honest, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to give a GLD a shot, guys. Let me pull this up. Yeah, she's gonna sell off here. All right, let's do it. I'm game. I'm buying it. I'm buying GLD, guys. Let's see here. Let's do a little bit of work. I should have already done this work. 20th. What's today? Today's the 18th. Weeklies. What? Dude, that's so cheap. Wait. March 18th. 202. It's $1.45. I'm gonna wait. Let's see, April. Wait, what is going on with this options chain here? See, that's a 220. That's ridiculous. 210. Somebody paid 281, so they're already down like a goofball.
Including those leading the AI revolution before they go public. The future is now open for investment.
You founded your kayak company because you love the ocean, not spreadsheets. You need to hire. I need Indeed. Indeed you do. Indeed Instant Match instantly delivers quality candidates matching your job description. Visit Indeed.com/hire.
Consumer Cellular.
Okay, let's see here.
Somebody's butt. Just thought I'd let you know that with Consumer Cellular, you can get the same exact coverage as the leading carriers, but for up to half the price.
I don't know, man. I just know how GLD moves.
At Quince, we make inexpensive, expensive things. We know it sounds like a paradox.
Not available.
The way luxury is made.
Coming up, the NAHB Housing Market Index 48 consensus.
Unbelievably soft leather jackets
Why is this options chain trash right now?
at a fair price. Get free shipping and 365-day returns at quince.com.
Personal training made to fit your life.
That's probably because today is... No, today's the 18th.
Personal training made to fit your life. Future, here we go.
Want Ethereum exposure right in your brokerage?
Why is this stuff not available?
Grayscale Ethereum Trust, the world's largest Ethereum fund. ETHE. Ethereum investing begins here.
The Fed's next move. With higher than expected inflation, could the Fed back off projections for future rate cuts? A crucial message to investors.
51, the consensus was 48 on the NAHB Housing Market Index. 51.
Want to jumpstart your side hustle? Learn the skills to earn passive income online with CNBC Make It's new online course. Expert advice, real-life success stories. Introductory offer ends April 12th. Get it now at CNBC Make It.
Alright, either way, GLD's not moving today, so I'm not worrying about it right now. Alright, so it looks like we're getting our pullback to this support area. This could be our dip buy for TSM. Alright, I think I'm going to get long TSM here. Hold on, let me do some more diligence. No, I'm not. I'm not getting long here. Sorry, I almost hesitated there. It's a nice area of support. Or what I thought at first was support. 139. 139 is our level. That's where we said we wanted to be long. 139. Keep your eye on yields as well. If you guys haven't been doing so, you got to keep your eye on yields.
CHRO, Cell Therapeutics, interim CEO, appointed as its permanent CEO, Frank Rutel, that's Charlie Hotel Romeo Oscar.
Oh my god, bro. Looks like AMD is garbage. So that's why I ended up bringing the chat up on my monitor, so I didn't have to like look away and all that other stuff. But oh man, that sucks. That sucks, man. We just about aced that trade there on AMD. You know, I don't think there's much room left. I mean, there could be, but I would have to look for a bounce back to like 190, 189 for me to take that short again, to think about that. I'm not even worried about it. I'm probably going to scratch AMD. Yeah, Tesla's bouncing back a little bit here. It's still below VWAP. See what you do at VWAP. Nothing's changed. I'm still bearish Tesla. Just see what you do at VWAP. That's what I would say. You can see here this level prior was resistance. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. If we break above VWAP on the 1 minute chart with pre-market volume or pre-market on, watch 169. Keep your eyes on 169. Let's look around the markets real quick. Rivian. DocuSign may have. Okay, that's a nice pop on DocuSign there, guys. That's a nice pop on DocuSign.
Shares of DocuSign 57.88 now. A lot of people say it's priced in already. We've seen Treasury sell off in anticipation to this, but you know, one of the biggest central banks.
Okay, so DocuSign's holding that 50-day moving average right now. There you go. You're getting your bounce. Maybe you get a 62 there. All right. I think you could look for DocuSign to get back up to 62.60. You know, I'm not sure. I have to read more into it. I have not been following DocuSign and whatever's been going on. I know I'm forgetting a trade as well. I know I'm forgetting something. I know I'm forgetting something today. There was something I was watching and I'm forgetting about it. Look, Microsoft's already at 420. Look at the move Microsoft did. For anybody that didn't catch the watch list, that's why you got to catch the watch list. Look at that move. Look at that. And obviously, Apple, one of the other ones we had, it's already giving you the 176 and more. It was damn near 176 pre-market. I don't know what this line is. I don't know what's going on there.
the stock market has been pretty resilient in the face of these rising bond yields. Also, inflation expectations in the tips market have been moving up as well.
Yeah, it has been a resilient market with the S&P up some 8.3% at this very moment.
We have AI, we have Google, we have Nvidia, we have this is what's dominating the equity market, and it's counteracting some of the potential trepidation that you might see in firmer inflation.
What are you looking for out of Tesla?
Is what's happened with commodities. It's kind of been this quiet rally. We haven't talked about.
Just wondering.
But just in the last few weeks,
So gold is getting its bounce there.
prices are up.
I do. I think this is.
Orange juice prices.
You know, I think you want to get like 2151.76 on gold for GLD, but like that area is it's hot. You know, it's an area. But
It's worth watching because this feeds into the real economy.
fuck, man.
Inflation.
Speaking of AI, of course, we do have a big story, at least the market's digesting this morning. Shares of Alphabet, for example, up almost 6%. As follows reports, the company is in talks with Apple that would have its Gemini AI engine, that is Alphabet's, in Apple's iPhones. Steve Kovac joins us now.
Bounce here.
Just perhaps
15
context
minutes.
on the story that everybody's sort of trying to grapple with so far this morning, Steve.
Yeah, this is a big and surprising one. So the report saying Apple is in talks to license Google's Gemini AI to power upcoming features in the iPhone. That's according to a Bloomberg report that broke overnight. Now this comes ahead of an AI announcement from Apple later this year, which CEO Tim Cook has already teased would be a breakthrough for the company. Now Apple is reportedly going to expand the deal it already has with Google in search, in which Google pays as much as $19
That could be a nice short on Amazon there. Right there at that entry of 175.45. It might be. Don't just, you know, go after it because I said so, but let's see, hold on. No, it needs a little bounce. Alright, so Rivian's bouncing. Watch Rivian here at 11:20. Watch this 11:20, where the opening price. Why in the heck?
Google and Apple are the only two mobile operating system platforms, and a partnership like this could raise fresh concerns over the Department of Justice, which, by the way, is expected to file its antitrust lawsuit against Apple any day now, guys.
Yeah. Important to point out here, of course, this
It's
is
supposed to
all,
get in a plot.
still being negotiated.
AMD.
Things can change. I mean, I do wonder, Steve, is it possible that Apple's negotiating
190.
similarly with some of the other large language model operators, so to speak?
Yeah,
That
it's
they could be
possible.
sort of a,
I wonder if this is, if that's the opportunity there to buy,
That is the perfect example.
to get short AMD.
Funded by Jeff Bezos. It uses all of them, basically. It uses OpenAI, it uses Anthropic, another startup that's a rival to OpenAI. So, yes, you can also see a future in which they kind of stitch together all those different language models. But look, this
180 as well. So I would be looking to get, I'm trying to target 180. Why is that there?
the details of this AI announcement Apple has been teasing all along, David, and they're going to have to really show that they can do more with this AI Gemini technology than Google has already done on its own phones. It can do stuff like erase, parts of a photo. It can do some like live translation between languages and things like that. But it's nothing.
Oh, I got you. Oh, for sure. I got you. If you're talking about buying the stock itself and whatnot, yeah, true. Oh, yeah. There's never a guarantee, right? There's never a guarantee, but I'm sure it's going back to 170, right? 179. I agree with you there.
In order to run AI, so it's really interesting that if they do have this, by the way, they do have their own large language model. They've been putting out research reports and so forth on that. But if they don't feel confident about it, that it can be actually put publicly, it's really interesting.
Uh-oh. Feels like sentiment just changed there with AMD. I like TSM more for the bullish trade. The SPY's going higher. So if I think Um,
morning. Sarah, it's obviously something we've been following closely.
see, I would much rather be able to get that 15-minute. I think TSM is overdone. I think TSM needs to pull back. All right, I think TSM needs to get down to. I think we're gonna get this entry point, guys. I do, and I'm gonna go after it. I'm gonna take this long here at 139. I'm still trying to target 139. I think we can get it. If we can pull back into 139, I'm going after it. I don't know why that's like that. I wish these boxes underneath could be like a lot smaller. Like, why does it have to be all the way up there? I feel like it should be down just a little bit more. I think there's plenty enough room for it to be down a little more.
I do wonder how influential. You said they're still pretty influential. Disney's what, they're in the 30% ownership of retail, and that's a high percentage of retail ownership, not unlike P&G, which have a very close contact.
Man, SPY is not rejecting, but you guys know what I mean. It made a new high and then it's pulling back off of it. Oh no. Trenches.
You know, listen, people close to Disney, their advisors seem very confident they're going to win, but of course that's what you'd expect them to say. Yeah, sure. Well, I haven't talked to Nelson, but maybe you have. As we head to break, here's our roadmap for the rest of the year. Energy rallying this month, the best sector, in fact, for March. ExxonMobil CEO Darren Woods is going to join us. It's a first on CNBC interview. We'll talk about the outlook for oil and the company.
Plus, it is a red-hot stock that's up
Well, that's 515 on the SPY.
175% in the past 1 year. The company CEO joins us with his profit picture.
And
Yes.
it is front and center today. That chip giant kicks off its
Oh, there goes TSM.
Jensen Monk's keynote speech. We're going to head there live. We've got a big show ahead for you. Don't go anywhere.
I'll pull up Tesla real quick. Halfway up, yep. 79.
Most advanced heart chew yet. New Super Beats Advanced by Human. Now infused with CoQ10 plus the grapeseed extract you've come to love for nearly 2 times more effective blood pressure support than diet and exercise alone. Why take a separate CoQ10 supplement when you can enjoy twice the benefits with Super Beats, the #1 cardiologist recommended meat brand. Get a free month supply on all bundles at superbeatsadvanced.com.
I can see why you're expanding.
It's nuts online, too.
What's the secret?
We know humans like new toys.
So always staying one step ahead.
And with AI, we can look at so much more than sales data. Buyer behaviors, social engagement. See that? Predictive analytics.
How long have you been doing
I didn't quite get. That's a. I feel like that reversal there is a bit early on Tesla.
See why club members trust me to guide them in any market.
Let's see what the heat map looks like real quick. That way it'll give us an idea.
Join the club now. Go to cnbc.com/Jim.
My name is Oli Shady, and some of my favorite moments throughout my life are watching sports with my dad. Now I work at Comcast
Earlier,
as part of the team that
FDA panel
AI highlights
back expanded use of its CAR T therapies.
Google is a monster, man. That's insane. PDD. These are the names we need to be looking at. Even though it's already 10:15. Like, look at PDD right there. Looks like PDD might have room. I may go for a dip buy to 134 on PDD. On Pinduoduo. Alright. Google also. Nice pullback to pre-market highs. Wow.
Welcome back to Swap on the Street, the world's top energy CEOs, so to speak, companies in that sector gathering in Houston. It's called
Look at Google already bouncing.
there. He's got a first-time CNBC interview with ExxonMobil's chairman CEO Darren Woods. Brian.
Yes, David,
Let's
thank you very much.
trenches.
Well, I know David's got a lot of questions probably about Guyana as well, Griffin, so we'll kind of tag team this. Welcome to you guys. I want to start just with oil. Oil's at $80.
So this whole sector here with Google, we could look at PDD. There's a lot of names that are green. Apple.
Just the other day, the IEA, which had been more bearish, raised its oil demand estimates.
Let's see. Banks pulling back. Uber. Yes, Uber had news. If you guys don't know, Uber had news. I need to be trying to take that trade now. Uber did have news, guys. Yeah, we read that off last night about having to pay Australia. Look at this double bottom from back here. Boom, boom. It's at like $76. You're bouncing up into it now. You're bouncing up into it right now. That's your flat top resistance there at 76. So if you can get a rejection at $76, I would look at $76 for Uber. You know, to be your entry point and look for that rejection. And you should have room down to like 68. 70. Yeah, I would look for 72. Man, there's so much going on today. It's pretty crazy. They're halfway through the fall. Okay.
There are some who predict maybe a steep drop off in usage, but I've seen other models that suggest
75. 75, 75, 75.
Misunderstand where we might be in 5, 10, 50 years.
Let me look at my charts real quick on Uber.
ExxonMobil CEO on CNBC said demand for oil and petroleum products is very healthy. That's Secretary Oscar Michael.
So I think as prices come off, demand tends to go up. It's very elastic on the edge there. And at the same time, the cost of converting and moving to a lower carbon society, if that cost is too high for consumers to bear, they won't pay it. We've seen that play itself out in Europe with some of the farm protests, the yellow vest protests.
All right. Alright. I ain't fooling with this no more.
That's XOM.
Let die. Oh shit, Breaker Bow, VWAP. Alright. So we're going to find out here in a minute. 76. 75, 95, 76 for Uber. Okay. What else do we have? PDD. Google. I cannot believe Google, bro. Like, seriously. Fucking assholes. It was on the watch list yesterday. We were talking about 142, and it's at 150. It opened up at 150, 149. It completely took the move away from us. Like, literally every trade, you would have had to just buy it pre-market. It took everything away. You had to have bought it pre-market. They said, nope, we ain't going to let you get your leverage, your options. Look at DraftKings popping with some volumes there, too. DraftKings has some volume, guys. Here we go. Looks like we got something going on here with DraftKings. Is there news with DraftKings? Has anybody seen anything? I would watch this level here on DraftKings. This is still a level that is a little shady. It's support and resistance area. But we'll see. Damn, this is crazy. I want to know what happened. I want to know what happened. Again, be patient. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. Wait for your setup. If the stock's not where you want it, don't buy it. Don't sell it. Don't short it. Whatever. We all know what's right. We all know what's wrong. We should have common sense. If you're taking positions and you're just like losing 400 one day, losing 5 or making 500 the next, you know, you make 200, you lose 350. Why do you, how even in your mind can you let yourself lose like that? I mean, you have to have common sense to know that that's not going to get you to profitability. That's not going to get you making money if you make the same as you lose. I mean, it's common sense, right? If it pays you, take it. I don't care how little or how much it is. Take it. You know, you want to be a little bit more methodical than just like, oh, I'm just going to take it just for the sake of taking it, right? But you know, you want to be able to identify those little areas like this area right here that we could be a buyer possibly on DraftKings. Right there, $43. It just pulled right back into it there. I don't know why this thing just bounced out of nowhere. I really don't. I don't know what the news was, if there even was any news. It's probably just a bunch of people buying it. Target 44. Target would be 44.
Is that a conservative estimate? You think you can get to 1.2 by 2027? Listen, I think we're developing it as expeditiously and efficiently as we can. And one of the outcomes of that, one of the consequences of that very expeditious development, one is the Guyana government benefits directly from that sooner, which is good for Guyana and the people of Guyana.
same time, there's a lot of work that we're doing in parallel, trying to understand how big is the opportunity. So I would say our understanding of that resource continues to grow. Discoveries will continue to come, and we'll continue to evolve our thinking on that. So we're just basically giving our best estimate at the time, and we'll update that as we learn more and we develop it further.
All right, wrap it up with this. You might have heard about this pause that we have on U.S. LNG projects. Got a massive project in Texas. Is that full steam ahead? Even with, is that going to, the pause will not impact your project?
Pause will not impact the project, that's right.
That's a nice, clean answer. Right there. Darren Woods, Chairman and CEO of ExxonMobil, kicking off our CERAWeek coverage. Really do appreciate it, Darren. Thank you very much.
Good seeing you.
Sarah.
All right, Brian, thank you. Looking forward to a lot more talk from you this week. Brian Sullivan and Darren Woods. Up next, check out this mystery chart. It's a consumer-related name that's up 40% this year and 175% in the past 12 months. We're going to talk to the company CEO, find out why investors are piling into the red-hot name. Plus, a closer look at the U.S. military's latest defense product.
All right, I'm trying to put in a limit order right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it. Shit. I knew it. So I don't know if I'm going to get filled on this. Dude, I'm not getting it. Dude, they keep bidding it up. I'm not getting it. I'm not able to get in. I can't get in DraftKings. I can't get in. Wait, I'm in. Wait, I'm in, guys. Hold up. I did. I got filled at 65. Alright, I got filled at 65. I got filled at 65. Alright, 65.
Ever since switching to Workday, you've been a real rock star.
Rock star? What do you know about rock stars?
Billy Idol?
I mean, where's the skin tight leather?
The shoes are leather.
Where's the unnecessary zippers? That thing.
Billy, Rockstar is just how Doug feels when he uses Workday. Thanks, Rory.
I'll give you rock star.
Be a finance and HR rockstar. Workday for a changing.
Damn, that's resistance right there, too. You have to watch out, guys. That's resistance right there. Dude, I just got smoked on... I didn't get smoked. I'm sorry. But, that sucks. That sucks, guys. Hopefully y'all didn't just get caught into that. I just seen that right now, looking at the 3-minute chart. That level right here. You gotta watch this level. You just got... You're having trouble there. Right? Right there at this, like, 43 area. Shit. No, man. What the fuck? No, I meant to raise my order. God damn it, bro. This is what I get for trying to help motherfuckers out. If y'all could, hit the like. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I just got my fucking order out. I would... You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. I knew I should have left my 70. I knew I should have left my 70 fill. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
You know what's brilliant? Boring. Think about it. Boring is the unsung catalyst for bold. What straps gold to a rocket and hurtles it into space? Boring does. Boring makes vacation.
Bro, it's gonna break. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man.
All words you want from your bank.
That's so fucking crazy.
PNC Bank has been brilliantly boring so you can be happily fulfilled. Which is pretty unboring if you think about it.
Women's Herstory. Invest, intersect, inspire.
CNBC exclusive. Jensen Huang. NVIDIA's market dominance, innovations,
Well, hopefully you guys were able to get up on that trade there. Target would be 44. It's like 43.50. but we got in those at see, that's a setup there, right? You get that increase in volume. So we did get filled at $65. Jesus Christ, 5 cents a contract. You gotta be kidding me, bro. I cannot believe that. I should have just left my 70, 71 fill. Look at the volume coming in there. You know, I'm telling you guys, this could be a tough area. This could be a really tough area right there. This little range. You have this little resistance level at 43.20. I wouldn't play around with it. I think on a 1 minute, but look what just came in there. Look what just came in there.
With Australian taxi drivers, thousands of drivers launched a class action lawsuit against the rideshare company, accusing it of breaking the country's taxi licensing rules when it started operating there in 2012. The settlement is the 5th largest in Australia's history.
That's bullshit. They attack. I mean, like, the money goes to the government, and then it's like, I don't know. I got my opinions on that. You gotta be shitting me, man. Gotta be shitting me, bro. I should have left at 70.
Well, I think it reflects our exceptional category, consistent category leading growth. We just finished our 20th consecutive quarter of net sales growth. Our third quarter was up 85%. We more than doubled our market share, and I think investors are rewarding us for that consistency.
Is the growth driven by you entering new stores like a Walmart? I know you've been in Target for a while, and new channels?
Unbelievable.
You know, we're seeing growth across the board. Our number one driver of growth is productivity, and the customers we're already in. Our digital business is up over 100% the quarter. Our international business is up over 100%.
So what I did was I pulled my limit order down a little bit just in case, because we have nothing right here. Just in case, because I was noticing the 90 MA. And again, it was just supposed to be like a small take profit, but I just put out a limit order. If we ended up pulling back and we could not hold that level, I just wanted to get a limit order out, and I pulled it down off that 71, 72 cent area. And I didn't adjust for the contracts. I didn't adjust for, because I was doing things a little quick, trying to talk to you guys. I got to get better at that. You know, she's trying to reverse up here, or at least trying to shake everyone out or something. Look at that volume that came in there. This is what I'm talking about. Something like this. Like, just be careful. I think you're okay. I don't see why you can't get a, you know, I think that 5350 is resistance, but your real resistance is up at 45. I just think 1, 2, 3 times you've made 4350 resistance, and that's telling me the sellers are stepping down. They want out of this thing. You know, baseball season's around the corner. It's going to get a little boring. It could, you know, cash is going to get a little slow. It's going to get a little slow. Business is going to get a little slow. Again, there's a lot of people that still do baseball and stuff, but not as much as football and college football, college basketball, the pros.
What happens to your products in this inflationary period that we've had over the last 2 years or so?
Well, I think one of the things that really comes through is our exceptional value proposition. So we have this incredible value every single day, and I think that's benefited us. Consumers realize they can get the high level of quality at these great prices, and you know, you mentioned Target.
I think if I was able to get that 63-cent order out, if I was able to get that order out a little bit earlier, I would have been okay. I think I would have been able to get in at 63 cents a lot earlier, but what are you going to do? shit.
Why? Aren't your input costs going up?
Not necessarily, but we have this virtuous circle. Just because we have such strong top-line growth, it allows us to have leverage in our non-marketing SG&A, which in turn allows us to increase our margins and offer it a great
So if we see that this week, tech can move higher.
So have you figured out what would happen, say, in another Trump administration where he has already threatened to increase tariffs?
We have. We basically, we're already carrying 25% tariffs on our goods. So if there, in some of those scenarios, if it's 60% tariffs,
Damn.
we use a combination.
Oh, he's talking about 25% tariffs and stuff.
We have been diversifying with suppliers in the U.S., Thailand, Europe, and so we'll use a combination to be able to deal with that.
And so it begins. The man I called Da Vinci. So Kramer, got to meet him. That's so cool, man. I could only hope to be able to do shit like that. I doubt it'll ever happen, though.
Outscarp was on bashing the short sellers last week from Palantir. You have had short sellers in your stock. You managed, I guess, to smoke them all out with this performance. But what has been the biggest doubt that you have had to address as the stock has soared?
Well, I think, usually you have people who feel like, did I miss the party? The stock is up so much over the last few years, but I've been CEO for 10 years. I've heard that all 10 years, and we continue to perform. And I think part of the reason why is we have incredible white space. We know we can double our market share in color cosmetics. We have two incredible brands in skincare with Elf Skin and Naturium, and we're just getting started internationally. So we have plenty of white space to continue to pursue.
Look at that chart. Tarang, thank you very much for joining us. It's great to see you here at the NYSE. Tarang Amin from Elf.
After the break, the latest in U.S. military and autonomous technology. Morgan Brennan is live from a chopper with a look at what is still ahead. Morgan.
The guys are just talking about geopolitical risks. As the world has become a more dangerous place, that means more demand for more defense. For the battlefield, and what's needed is changing as more software, more AI, more autonomy comes to the battlefield. So right now I'm inside a Black Hawk helicopter that is autonomously flying. We are doing that off of this tablet right here. Coming up on the other side of the break, we're going to do a deep dive into Lockheed Martin's $6 billion Sikorsky business, which is at a critical juncture, and what new capabilities like this are going to mean to the future of growth. Stay with us.
Hello, Mia. Are you ready to meet your demise?
Man, we really need to upgrade your trash talk.
Nice shot. Shot. Taker.
Damn, that's brutal. I know I've seen that one, but
The future isn't scary. Not investing in it is. 100 innovative companies, one ETF. Before investing carefully, read and consider fund investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and more. Prospectus at Invesco.com.
Wall Street forecasts $100 billion in sales for anti-obesity drugs known as GLP-1. Treatments are largely administered through cumbersome injections. Enter Luxeria Bioscience.
what a fucking retard.
Delivery technology. Studies with GLP-1 suggest reduced side effects and better blood sugar.
What's that say? Crackhead.
Luxeria Bioscience.
Crackhead.
Transforming the future of GLP-1 drug delivery.
Like, why does Dave not show you any charts? I'm just
Apple
curious.
talks with Google. So Google has an AI tool that Gemini is used on. Till I had no choice. AI is telling you we're going like artificial intelligence. How many movies do we have to see where the robots slaughter?
I don't know, bro, but your thumbnails are getting made a hell of a lot quicker these days, aren't they? You don't have to physically make them anymore. Make Congress balance the budget, or they can't run for re-election and they'll balance it at a light speed. We were talking about this yesterday. Jesus Christ. That's insane. That is insane. It really is. That's insane, guys.
Every time you bet at Fanatics Sportsbook, win or lose, you get up to 5% of your wager back in fan cash. Spend it on jerseys,
You gotta be kidding me. Fucking DraftKings is still up, man. Bro. That was our target there. This was our target there to 43.50. That's our first target. There's a lot of volume coming in there. I don't know why. Looks like GLD is trying to move up also. So that was a nice call out. Oh, Morgan Brennan. Those eyes. I don't think I can show it. Alright, so Nvidia's pulling back. AMD's bouncing. Let me go over to this. Alright, 5-minute chart. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. And what we'll do is... So AMD's getting a little bit of a boost here. You have some resistance there on AMD, but dude. I would watch AMD. See if AMD pulls back. Okay. See if you get this pullback on AMD. I know it's a little hard for you guys to see here. I'll just use this. Right here. See if 193 becomes resistance for just a little bit. And see if you pull it back. And you try to start to hold like Friday's close down at 191. Like 191.17. Or even 191 or 192. Something like this. Right? And then see if you can break out of it. Right? And still get up to that 195. And I'm still not counting out the short. If, you know, I kind of am, but I'm kind of not. I don't know what. You know, like right now the SPY is making 515 support. Unless it's about to break. It just broke. It's so funny. All right, I would look for a short on the SPY. Look for the short back down to 514 flat. It's like 80 some cents. Tesla. It's a nice move on Tesla. Great job. Great job. Somebody called that out in chat. Okay, TSM pulling back. Looks like it's not going to make 139 support. Looks like 139 is not going to be support. I am going to go get a cup of coffee real quick. I'll play this for you guys so you guys can see her eyes, I guess. But I love Morgan. I'll be right back.
We think things like autonomy and hybrid electric aircraft are going to be critical to our future. Hybrid electric is certainly something that's coming to aircraft and aviation just as it did for automobiles. And we're going to be at the forefront of that technology and continue to innovate as we have for the last 100 years at Sikorsky.
So you're getting into the eVTOL game, or at least the hybrid eVTOL game, it sounds like.
We are, but we're going to stick to what we're good at, which is typically the heavy or medium lift, long range type of missions, both for civil government and also for military.
Paul Lemo, thanks so much for joining me here and taking me up in this Black Hawk. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Guys, the president of Sikorsky, we're going to have
I'm grabbing something to drink, guys. Give me 1 second. We did take a long, at least I took a long on DraftKings, and I'm out of that by accident. I did not mean to limit order out of it. You know, it is what it is. I want to see where they're at. They went from like, I think I entered at 65 cents. Matter of fact, I don't think I know. I got in at 65 cents. They were all the way up to 80 cents. Maybe even close to 90 with what you see going on here. It's still going, so you're about at 50% already on that trade, and it's only been about a half hour. So good job to you if you got that. I messed myself up by not raising my limit order, because we were watching this level here on DraftKings, just being cautious of that level right here. And yeah, so yeah, so that's that. But yeah, I'm gonna grab something to drink. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So again, sorry, I was just getting something to eat. DraftKings this morning took that trade. I'm now out of it. That was a nice little winner to start the week. This pullback on TSM, I'm still watching. I'm still seeing if like. So I'm starting to notice that like we've turned around, and it doesn't seem like we're catching any type of bid. You know, the overall markets are higher. Let's see here. I mean, I just don't understand what's still holding them up, because it feels like everything is starting to roll over a little bit. Let me see here. Give me 1 second. I cannot believe, literally, we had a solid watch list together yesterday, and they took it. Everything that we talked about yesterday, they went and did it pre-market. You know, it's all good. It happens. Used to it by now. I wrote down here to just see if, let's see, where am I at? 15-minute chart, 5-minute. Let's look at a 15-minute. I did not watch Uber. I did not go back to Uber. But I want to see if, see, we're below the 90 MA. Like, that's just a straight sell-off now. That trade is, I'll check back later with that. I'd much rather be short some of the names that have a reason to be short, like Uber. Okay, like Uber. Right? This could be the second, this could be your second, pullback, but I'd be cautious. Uber's been pretty strong. I don't know. I'm kind of just going to relax a little bit here. I'm not going to relax, obviously, but, like, I'm not going to go out of my way, like, to just put risk on after I've made money this morning. Oh, and shout out to Illinois. We made some money on Illinois yesterday. So that was nice. And shout out to all the teams. Shout out to everybody that made it in the March Madness. It's going to be exciting. There's nothing like collegiate sports, I think. It's just my opinion. I think NFL, the NBA I haven't watched in a few years. Ever since I got started on college basketball. Now, again, you got to give it one season. If you have not watched college football or college basketball, I urge you, give it one season. You're not going to know what's going on, so you're not going to like it. But just sit there in front of the TV, just watch it. Just force yourself to pay attention to it. And by the middle of the season, by the end of the season, and by the summertime when it's over, you're going to be ready for it to come back. I promise. I promise. And you will probably look at Roger Goodell like, bro, you are just trash. You are screwing your product up. You know, I think a lot of older people and a lot of people watch NFL and NBA because that's just what they were growing up with. But to me, it's not the same. It's not what I grew up with. I don't watch it really anymore, guys. I really don't. You know, it might be on. I'll watch some things around it, but like, I gotta be honest. You know, they're very skilled and stuff like that, the coaching and stuff. But I think that shit is poop. I really do. I think it's garbage. It's just my opinion. All right. So we are back to 0 subscribers, 0 watchers. Okay, okay. I think I might end the live stream, guys. Yeah, so you guys have a great rest of your day. I gotta figure out how to get the stream going again. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a good one.
Then